Kalau lah orang ni meninggal dunia, apa jadi kad hutang, kad kredit tu
Pasal hutang kad kredit ni, there's two ways to tackle it lah. Okay, satu is dia tackle directly guna credit card alone. Maknanya dia tak libatkan dia punya takaful nyawa, dia tak libatkan langsung. Okay. So sebenarnya dalam credit card itself, dia ada satu feature ni. Okay, macam saya selalu cakap lah, term ni selalu interchangeable. Different banks could call it in different names.
Different product names lah.
Yeah, tapi basically dalam credit card tu sendiri, kita dah ada credit shield. You just have to on that thing.
Credit shield?
Yes, credit shield.
Shield?
Perisai.
Perisai.
Yes, perisai. Okay. So credit shield ni how it works selalunya lah dalam bank. Yang paling basic dia punya function lah. If you have outstandings, every blocks of RM100, there would be a particular charge. Contoh lah, harga dia 60 sen per RM100. So kalau you ada outstanding RM1,000, so basically you have 10 blocks lah kan.
Betul.
Setiap 100 blok, setiap RM100 consider satu blok. So you ada 10 blok. And since satu blok is 60 sen, so you ada 10 blok, that is RM6. So because of that RM6, dia akan di-charge pada you depending on how much is your outstanding for that particular month. Untuk orang yang on credit shield ni, diorang sepatutnya dah relax dah. Diorang dah tahu dah, if anything were to happen to me, covered benda ni. So that is one option. Secondly is guna produk lain, which is pelindungan takaful nyawa lah. Maknanya upon meninggal, masa you sign up for that takaful nyawa, mesti you dah specify hibah amount tu berapa kan. You dah decide what is the amount. So masa you decide tu, you kena fikir lah, you punya credit card, credit limit, maybe hutang you banyak macam ni, rumah you or kereta you, kalau you meninggal, how much yang mungkin in totality amount dia. So I will just take it as it is lah. So basically kalau you meninggal, this is the two protections yang you patut fikir upfront lah. Whether are you going to use you punya pelindungan, you punya takaful nyawa, ataupun you guna credit shield je.